So let's try one more time by giving. I just closed and opened it again. Java. Okay, let me close this. -jar space. Sorry, I need to. Right. So .jar, and we need to give the role of WebDriver. And now, so as I told, we need to register it, right? So hub http, so 192 dot, so go back to our Chrome, 192.168.0.102.4444, and now grid register port, some any random port. Is it fine? Java WebDriver role, and we are registering hub. Let's check it out. Okay, launching a Selenium grid node. You can see information here. The reason behind that is my net got disconnected before, and it failed to get registered with my hub. Okay, now it's successfully registered, right? If you see this kind of output, that means it got registered. And now let's go back to our grid interface 5566. Okay, I told that now it will keep on listening at 5566 port, right? So let's check it out. Open one more tab, or let's do it here. What is the IP address of this? Okay, let's do it again. Okay, so IP config, and uh, it's at Wi-Fi, right? 168.0.106. So this at 106 IP. Okay, and if you see 5566 port number, right? Or you can give like this localhost, because this is my local machine. And if you check that how it works at 5566 port, forbidden error it's getting. So let's do. Okay, is it started? Yeah, it's still registering, starting auto thread. Okay, let me go to the pass for a few seconds. So yep, I think it got registered. So it says that it registered. Okay, so now this node is started listening to the hub. Okay, so now how do we know that this node got registered to that hub? How do we check? Okay, so let's recap everything once again. First, we started Selenium server and hub in our hub machine. Number one. Number two, we started. Okay, we made sure that are we able to access the hub interface from the other machine. Okay, we are able to do that. Now we successfully linked this node. Okay, we successfully linked this node to that hub, right? So we link this particular node, this VM, to our hub, right? So we have done it with command prompt and it says registered. But how do we check that? So 2 points done. Third point, we have achieved it, but we don't have a validation point to make sure to say that connected. Okay, for this validation, now we need to switch back to our hub machine. In hub, we will provide some URL with which we can come to conclusion that this node got connected there. Okay, so now let's go back to our hub machine and start coding here there. Once we made cross check that this node got connected, and once we complete coding, I'll run the script there, and script execution will start in this machine. Okay, so assume that there is Firefox 30 version is present in this machine. Right now 34 in my hub machine, right? So my superior or client wants to execute this in Firefox 30 version. So I have selected this node and I came here and gave this command which make me Java role WebDriver, and I'm trying to connect the hub machine with this command prompt. Okay, so once this command got executed, so this node is connected to that. Now when I run the script from there, it will run here in Firefox 30. So how it runs in Firefox 30, that we will handle in code. Okay, this initial configuration setup is to just configuring home now I mean sorry, node hub, and giving connection between to them and making sure everything is ready. Thereafter, which browser we need to execute, which in which OS we need to execute, that we will give in a code. Okay, based upon the code only it runs. Okay, so right now configuration is done. The only checkpoint left for is to make sure whether these two got connected or not. So once we got that verification, then we can go ahead and start writing the code in our Eclipse. So all these we will do in our hub machine. So node machine configuration is done. What all we need to do is here to just give this command and get registered. We got registered and we made sure that we are able to access that console. Okay, so remaining all we can handle it in hub machine. So I'm switching back to that my hub machine, right? And we will move our things forward and wrap up. Okay, thank you.